Welcome to the class of general knowledge, and today we are seeing the chapter 34, class 5th B, chapter subject GK, chapter 34, that is note Hindi writing, from the word of Hindi writing. मतलब हमें हिंदी राइटिंग के संसार को देखना है इस चैप्टर में. तो हम क्या सीखेंगे? लेट अस सी. So in your textbook you can see certain pictures are given. About each picture you are given certain information. Based on that information you have to just guess, or you have to just ask or find the answers of each. For example, the first one is the question that is given to you. Identify the following Hindi writers. हमें इसमें से हिंदी लेखकों के बारे में पता करना है. Have you ever heard about these names, or do you know any name of the Hindi literature writer? You know, Hindi literature is very vast literature. English literature is very new and nothing in front of Hindi. English का जो हमारा साहित्य है, मैं ये नहीं कहता कि वो बुरा है, लेकिन अगर हम हिंदी से कंपेयर करेंगे तो हिंदी हमारा सनातन है. हिंदी हमारी संस्कृत भाषा से ली गई है, एंड इंग्लिश इज ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम लैटिन. बट सिंस बिकॉज ऑफ इंग्लिश impact on the world, we have to study English. Let us see. He is known as the father of modern Hindi literature and Hindi theatre. ये आधुनिक हिंदी साहित्य के और आधुनिक हिंदी नाटक के पिता कहे जाते हैं. He used to write under the pen name Ras. His pen name is Ras, and you can see him. He is known as father of modern Hindi literature. So can you guess who he can be? His name is Bhartendu Harishchandra. His name is Bhartendu Harishchandra. So which option will you take? Will you tick? You will tick option. He is Bhartendu Harishchandra, means option 1. Sorry, option 3. First answer is Bhartendu Harishchandra. Second, he has been referred to as Upanyas Samrat or Emperor of Novels by Hindi writers. इन्हें उपन्यास सम्राट या उपन्यासों के एम्पायर ऑफ नॉवेल्स, उपन्यासों के सम्राट, इनको कहा जाता है. तो हु इज ही? वेरी फेमस. हिज नेम इज मुंशी प्रेमचंद. सेकंड इज मुंशी प्रेमचंद. Actually, his real name was Dhanpat Rai. His real name was Dhanpat Rai. He was born in Varanasi. There is one village, Lamhi. Lamhi village is there in that Varanasi, in Uttar Pradesh. He was born, and in very poor condition he lived, and he died because of some disease. But his writing work are excellent work. Even though when he died he was writing one novel, that name was Mangal Sutra. I am not sure. I think that name was Mangal Sutra. He was writing and he couldn't complete it, and he died. Many famous novels are there, like Godan, Gaban, and other are there. I have not read much, but what I know about them, I think Mangal Sutra or Karma Sutra, something name, I am not remembering well. He was writing one novel and he died while writing. So his name is Munshi Premchand. Munshi was the title given to the teachers. He was a teacher at that time in the government school. He was a poet. Third one. He was a poet, novelist, essayist and story writer. Ram Ki Shakti, Pooja and Parimal are his famous works. So who is he? He is Suryakant Tripathi. His name is Suryakant Tripathi and his pen name is Nirala. So third answer is Suryakant Tripathi Nirala. Suryakant Tripathi Nirala. Next, he is the father of Hindi travel literature. यात्रा के लिए ये famous हैं. He is referred to as Mahapandit for his scholarship. Means he was so much excellent that he is referred as Mahapandit. So his name is Mahapandit Rahul Sankrityayan. His name was Mahapandit Rahul Sankrityayan. He is very famous for Hindi travel literature. He has written one book, Volga se Ganga. Volga se Ganga. Volga is a river in some country, I think in US or Russia, somewhere it is Volga, and Ganga in India. So he has traveled around whole world. He has traveled. Next is, she is the best known Hindi poetess. She was a freedom fighter, women's activist, and educationist. She is widely regarded as modern Meera. So she is, who can she be? Her name is Mahadevi Verma. She is known as modern Meera, आधुनिक मीरा हम उन्हें कहते हैं. और she has served as the chancellor of Allahabad University, and she got education after her marriage, and in very early age she was married. Around 5 or 7 years old she was when she was married, but because of her own desire she learnt and she became this much famous. So her name is Mahadevi Verma. Fifth one is Mahadevi Verma. Very famous stories she has written, like Gillu, my favorite, Gillu. Like that, sixth one, he was one of the most popular figure in modern Hindi literature. Kamaini is considered one of the greatest epics in Hindi poetry. Mahakavya, just like Mahabharata and Ramayana, no, these are epics where you can sing. जहाँ हम गा सकें उन वर्सेस को, तो उन्हें बोलते हैं एपिक. तो इन्होंने जो कामायनी लिखी है ये भारत की बहुत ही प्रसिद्ध रचना है. सो हिज नेम इज जयशंकर प्रसाद. हु इज ही? जयशंकर प्रसाद. जयशंकर प्रसाद. And last one, very interesting poet. He was very famous Hindi poet. He mostly wrote in Sanskritized Hindi and published 28 works, including poetry, verse, plays, and essays. So he wrote everything related with nature. He was very close to the nature. Just like in English, William Wordsworth, he is much more than William Wordsworth. So who is he? His name is Sumitranandan Pant. Which option from the top? Fifth, Sumitranandan Pant. Sumitranandan Pant. To whom we call Sumitranandan? You know, in Ramcharitmanas you might have studied, King Dashrath had 3 wives. So Kaushalya, Sumitra and Kaikeyi. So Kaushalya was mother of Lord Ram, and Sumitra was mother of Lakshman. So Sumitranandan was Lakshman. Now, all the names we have written. So one line only, I think 1 or 2 lines are given. So you can write one line from all, and then you can write the answers, which are, first one, once again I tell, who is known as father of modern Hindi literature. So who is he? He is Bhartendu Harishchandra. He has written one novel, भारत वर्षोन्नति कैसे हो सकती है. In that he has written that we Indians are just like the coaches of train. We need an engine to be directed towards a path. We cannot do the work by ourselves. Like that he has written. He has been referred to as Upanyas Samrat. Very famous he is. I told him Munshi Premchand. Keep in mind, here is Harishchandra and Munshi Premchand. Next, he was a poet, novelist, essayist, story writer. Ram Ki Shakti, Pooja Parimal. He is Suryakant Tripathi, pen name as Nirala. Then next is Rahul Sankritan, known as Mahapandit, written many travel work. She is best known for Hindi poetess, so I told she is Mahadevi Verma. Kamayani is the work of Jaishankar Prasad, and many more work are there written by him. And last one, Sumitra Nandan Pant, the poet of nature. He is widely regarded as poet of nature. So what is your work? You have to just write these answers in your notebook. Next chapter we will see 45. That is chapter 45 is IT quiz. So it's a very interesting chapter. You can see IT quiz. So that I will be covering in the next video.